Hello, and welcome to Basics and Foundations for Musicians. I am thrilled to join you on this musical journey of discovery. Whether you're an aspiring musician, a hobbyist, or someone with a burning passion for music, this course is designed with you in mind. Now, you might be wondering why you should take this course. Well, if you're just stepping into the world of music, whether you're picking up your first instrument, writing your first song, or getting ready for your first gig, this course is for you. In the world of music, there is so much to explore, learn, and master, and this course aims to provide a comprehensive foundation covering everything from choosing the right instrument and learning the fundamentals of music theory, to a brief overview of audio interfaces and digital audio workstations, then into music production and the basics of songwriting, before we finally look to hone your stagecraft and begin to understand the intricacies of the music business. Now, what should you expect? Throughout this course, we'll delve into various topics, each designed to equip you with essential knowledge and skills. You'll find a mix of lectures, demonstrations, interactive exercises, and even some hands-on practice sessions. Plus, we've included downloadable worksheets and supplementary materials to enhance your learning experience. So, before we start, let me tell you who I am. I'm Mark, and I've spent most of my life in the music industry, from a lone young musician with a 4-track cassette recorder in my bedroom through many incarnations of different bands of multiple different styles, and then for the last 25 years I've run my own commercial recording studio and rehearsal room and organised multiple gigs. I've authored multiple ebooks on related topics, had several YouTube channels, and even organised festivals for charity. Now the time has come to share what I have learned with you. Each module in this course is structured with an introduction, the core lesson, and a summary. Plus, we've included calls to action to help you engage more deeply with the material. All you will need for this course is a computer or mobile device to watch the lessons, some speakers or a pair of headphones for better audio quality, and perhaps a notebook, analog or digital, for any notes or ideas you might have along the way. Pretty much everything you need to do can be done using free software options, so have no fear, I will not be asking you to spend lots of money. So, are you ready to take your first step towards a fulfilling music career? Grab your instrument, your notebook, or just your passion for music, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Remember, every great musician starts with the basics, and that's exactly where we're beginning. The first module will guide you through choosing the right instruments. So click on the button for the next lesson to continue, and don't forget to engage with our community and share your progress. Come on, let's make some music.